Hello everyone. In Microsoft Excel, there is built-in a function called REPT, specially designed for percentages. However, you can use the REPT function to repeat a specific character a certain number of times and create a visual representation of percentage, and here is how you can do it. Click in the cell and type equal REPT, then quotes in the middle, type this one, then comma, the number of time, select this cell, then enter. As you can see, select the cell, then click here, play bell here, and select play bell. As you can see, now apply for all the cells.